How to start investing in a Gold IRA for federal employees, a step-by-step guide. As a federal employee, ensuring your retirement savings are secure and diversified is essential. A Gold IRA provides a stable hedge against market volatility, inflation, and economic uncertainty. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a straightforward guide to help you get started. 1. Choose a reliable Gold IRA custodian. Your custodian is key to managing your Gold IRA. They handle purchasing, storing, and administering your precious metals. Accreditation: select an IRS-approved custodian with a strong track record. Verify credentials via the Better Business Bureau or similar organizations. Fees: request a detailed breakdown of setup, storage, and maintenance fees to avoid surprises. Storage: ensure they offer secure, IRS-compliant depositories with options like segregated or non-segregated storage. 2. Open your Gold IRA. Once you've chosen a custodian, set up your account. Application: complete forms with personal and employment details. IRA type: choose between traditional, Roth, or SEP Gold IRA based on your tax strategy. Documents: submit identification and proof of federal employment. 3. Fund your Gold IRA. You can add funds in several ways. Rollovers: move funds from TSPs or 401ks without penalties, following IRS guidelines. Direct contributions: deposit cash within IRS annual limits, $6,500 or $7,500 for individuals 50+ in 2024. Transfers: transfer funds from existing IRAs through trustee to trustee transfers to avoid taxes. 4. Buy approved gold assets: only certain types of gold qualify for a Gold IRA. Purity: gold must be at least 99.5% pure, such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Gold Maple Leafs. Dealers: purchase from authorized dealers approved by your custodian. Storage: store gold in IRS-compliant facilities, home storage isn't allowed. 5. Monitor and adjust your investment: keep an eye on your Gold IRA to ensure it aligns with your goals. Market trends: track gold prices and economic shifts. Statements: review annual reports to monitor performance and fees. Rebalancing: adjust holdings as needed to maintain diversification and stability. By following these steps, you can confidently secure your retirement savings with a Gold IRA. For personalized advice, consult a financial expert. Free Gold IRA Guide: learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.